we'll guide you through how to integrate Trello with Google Calendar seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello. Log into your Trello account if you haven't already. Once you're in, choose the board you want to sync with Google Calendar. Now, click on the Power UPS button near the top of your board to add a new integration. In the Power Up search bar, type Calendar and look for the Calendar Power Up. Once you find it, click on ADD to enable it for your board. Now, go back to your board and click on the Calendar tab that appears at the top. You'll see an option to Enable Sync. Click on it, and a new window will pop up with the iCalendar feed URL. Copy this URL because you'll need it for Google Calendar. Next, open Google Calendar in a new tab and make sure you're logged into your Google account. On the left side, you'll see an option that says Other Calendars with a plus icon next to it. Click on the plus icon and choose From URL from the drop-down menu. Paste the iCalendar feed URL you copied from Trello into the URL box in Google Calendar. Click on ADD Calendar, and now your Trello board will be synced with Google Calendar. You can now view your Trello tasks and deadlines directly in Google Calendar, keeping everything streamlined and organized. This integration is super helpful for managing your time efficiently and ensuring you never miss a deadline. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.